Teaching in 2025 is no longer just about lesson plans and grading papers. It's about working smarter with the help of AI. In this video, I will show you the top 5 AI tools every teacher should be using in 2025 to save time, boost student engagement, and make grading way easier. Let's jump right in. Conquer AI. Starting with Conquer.ai. This is a game changer for creating quizzes and assessments. Just type in a topic and Conquer instantly generates questions, multiple question answers, and even reading comprehension passages tailored to your student's level. You can export quizzes directly to Google Forms or share them online. No manual question writing, no wasted time. If you are teaching multiple grades or subjects, Conquer's AI can adjust difficulty automatically, making differentiation effortless. Quizzes AI. Next up, we have Quizzes AI, the fun interactive quiz platform you probably already know, but now powered by AI. In 2025, Quizzes AI can now auto-generate gamified quizzes from your lesson notes, PDFs, or even PowerPoints. It also gives instant insights into students' performance and learning gaps. Plus, the new AI lesson planner helps you create full lesson activities in minutes, all while keeping your students engaged with leaderboard style gameplay. Third is Formative AI, a powerful tool for real time student feedback. Teachers can create assignments where students respond directly on the platform, and AI gives instant formative feedback, helping students learn as they go. Formative also integrates with Google Classroom and Canvas, so you can track progress seamlessly. It is perfect for monitoring understanding during lessons or giving guided practice. GradeScope. Number 4, GradeScope, one of the most trusted AI grading tools out there. Whether it's handwritten assignments, programming tasks, or multiple choice exams, GradeScope uses AI to recognize student work and speed up grading dramatically. You can grade entire classes with consistent feedback in minutes, and the AI even learns from your grading style over time. It's especially useful for university level educators, but high school teachers are starting to adopt it too. Quizalize. And finally, Quizalize, your personal AI teaching assistant for data driven learning. It doesn't just create quizzes, it analyzes the results to show you which students are struggling, what topics need review, and even suggests follow up activities tailored to each learner. In 2025, Quizalize AI has improved its dashboard, giving teachers personalized teaching insights and automatic differentiation options. It's perfect for turning data into action in the classroom. So there you have it, the top 5 AI tools for teachers in 2025. Conquer AI, Quizzes AI, Formative AI, GradeScope, and Quizalize. Whether you are trying to save money, time, boost engagement, or get better insights into your student learning, these tools have you covered. And if you found this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.